I have here 3 key cases with 1 key in each case, and you see there are different colors: red, yellow and green.
Yes.
I put them back in the case here and mix them up a little bit and ask you to for instance, take the red one. This one, you think this was the red one? Are you alright? Oh no, sorry, it's yellow. But it's not easy to take the red one here. But I will make it easy for you and more difficult for me, because here in a case with a question mark on it, and you now can choose any one of them here. This one, okay, this one. So let's see. You will open the prediction, your choice here. What you have, you can just take it in your hand and open it. Let's see. It comes out. Oh, your key has disappeared. It's not there. Let's see what's in the other pieces. Oh, there's still the green one and the yellow one. So you chose the red one, but it's disappeared from the case. Let's see what my prediction case says. There it is, the missing key.
Yes.